Just tell them silent, okay?
Sorry, excuse me.
Yeah.
We are missing the police and we don't know where to go. We're trying to reach our guide.
Where you want to go?
We don't know where to stop at the club. That's why we're talking.
Just say like normal thing, like the normal, okay? Not scream, okay? In Thailand we not scream.
Sorry for bringing money to your country.
No manner. Yeah, you too. Just shut the fuck off. Just shut the fuck off.
Relax, my friend, relax. Relax, my friend, relax.
Just tell them.
Posso dire una parolaccia?
Where you from? Where you from?
Thailand.
No, you're not. Where you from? Your mother.
Questa boccia la voglio fare un po' di soldi, mamma mia. Mamma, io non ci capisco, guarda.
เขามาจากชาติไหนอะคะ อะไรนะคะ มาจากชาติไหนนะคะ
Che minchia fa questo zaino?
I know that we should be silent.
I know, it's okay.
Sta continuando a fare il video.
Ciao.
Ok.
Ora ti fanno pubblico tutti i compiti. Sono stata stuprata in mezzo.
Ma ti dico voi che non so che
เขามาจากชาติไหนอะคะรู้ไหม Where you want to go? Where you want to go?
Your mom.
Your mother. Your motherfucker, okay? Where you want to go?
Ma non ditegelo che dopo non ci
I just want to help. Where you want to go?
We don't know because our guide didn't tell us.
Oh, you just want to travel? You want to travel, right?
No, we are in a group and there's one guide, but she didn't tell us where to drop off.
This line is not go for the travel. You have to go to another line in the Sukhumvit line, okay? This one that's for living. No, just stop.
Crazy,
Yeah. If you come here, it's nothing, okay? This line.
It's you, eh?
You're a bitch. You're a motherfucking bitch. Yeah, you're mother too. Whoa. What is your name? What is your name? What is your name? What is your name? Next station is Okay, bye. Just go.
Sì, ma sta al video.
Oh, ma però che il cimito, basta. The Crocs. Lei fa il video. Fai video. Per me facciamo la
Polizia, okay?
นี่เขามาจากไหนกันคะเขามาจากไหนกันเหรอคะอิตาลีเหรอคะเขาไม่ควรตะโกนในรถไฟอะค่ะ
Yes, but you start recording us and you
Can you tag me in the video?
Yeah sure เป็นที่อะไรมึงอะอยากจะพูดนักหนา silence shut the fuck up
Oh, chissà mai capita. Chissà ma arresa.
เขาชื่ออะไรกันบ้างอะหนูด่าเขาได้ปะ
What's your problem? We're not doing anything.
Nothing if they're silent
Film me. They're under 18. You can film them, okay? I'm gonna call the police for you, okay?
yeah call it
Stop it.
call the police call the police
What's your problem?
what's your problem
Sta facendo più bordello Enzo.
bye bye no it's okay go to hospital too get your father too